So today I'm going to show you how I wash this mannequin's head. This mannequin is the Yolanda mannequin, and my daughter colored her hair, and she colored her hair. This is a temporary hair color, and the hair color is from Color Flex. So you see, even with this hair color effect, you can actually use it to color your mannequin head, your weave, your extensions and stuff. So I'm going to show you how I wash the mannequin head. This color is really good. It works well for your hair, and it also works well apparently for wigs and mannequin heads. So this is how vibrant it is. It has been like this for a month and we haven't colored it. So this hair was cornrowed to create these amazing curls. This side, of course, you see it has no color. So let me show you what I first do is I'm going to take the hair. I'm using warm water. So this is warm water, and I'm just going to take the water, okay, make it a bit warm, and then you'll see just using the water to wipe it, to just wipe off the color pretty much like this. So once you rinse as much, so I'm gonna, you can see I've just rinsed off the color, and the color is completely out of the hair, and I'm gonna just rinse the rest of the hair with warm water. Ooh, so much mess. Now I'm going to use a mild conditioner, and I'm using a co-wash conditioner. So let me just make sure I wash every debris off. So I'm going to use a mild conditioner. So conditioner, it's a co-wash. The co-wash I'm using, I'm going to use the Eden's Body Works co-wash, and just take a little bit of it, not that much, just this much. And you could use shampoo, but I find shampoo to be a bit harsh. So I'm going to put this on the hair and just let the hair kind of just sit in there. I'll put some more. So yeah, so this wig hair, I'm just gonna let it just sit in there for about 3 minutes. Just gonna let that sit in there for 3 minutes and come back and check on it. So it's been 3 minutes. So what I'm just gonna do now is I'm just gonna run some warm water on the hair, just to rinse off the conditioner from the hair. And I'm walking my fingers down in a downward motion. Just walk it down in a downward motion. Make sure you get all the hair out. So I've had this mannequin for several years. I think about 5 years now, and it's still in good shape. And I only wash it maybe once every 2 months or so. I don't use a ton of products on it, but my kids, they're another story. So I'm using my fingers to comb it. You can use a Demon brush to comb it, but I'll suggest using your fingers first to comb it. I'm going to show you how much hair comes out. You can already see it from this sink. So you see very few hair comes out. So this is the amount of hair that just came out. So this is a very durable mannequin. So once that is done, what I just do while the hair is still wet, what I do is I just take my moisturizer. I like using this moisturizer for some reason. Just a little bit of it, not so much, you see, just a nickel size amount, and I'm just gonna run it through the hair. Just run it through the hair like that. Okay, and I can brush it and comb it. So for those that want to brush, I use the Tangle Booster brush, and I brush through our hair like that, and that really brushes our hair really nicely. It's very gentle for the hair. So you can see it brushes our hair, no tangles whatsoever, and it doesn't rip out our hair. So you see it brushes very well. And then I just let her hair dry by just putting her in the elevating her like that and just making sure she just stays up like that. And that is how, this is pretty much how I dry the hair, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.